Welcome back to episode 3, season 6. This is I'm So Good Herself. I'm rocking the shirt. If you guys want to help Janet out, she gets a portion of the proceeds. Head over to dynastybowl.com. Get yourself an I'm So Good shirt because you too can be so good just like her. She's bowling for Lance. Lance was out of town. We had a little bit of miscommunication. He actually showed up to the league last night. Got to the parking lot and then we told him that we were bowling this morning, so he went back home. So he could be here, but he's not. We thought we'd let him sleep in, get a trip. I think a business trip. So I got the brand new Tropical Surges, the purple solid one and the black pearl. And for every game Jana beats me this episode, I'm going to give her $100 to go shopping.
What?
And for every game that I beat her,
high five.
Everything stays exactly the same. Good luck. Enjoy. Yeah, if you need help, don't ask me.
You have to help.
Okay. We also have some members of the Discord, if you guys are interested in joining that, to get the notifications for all things related to bowling, Dynasty Bowling. Check it out. All the YouTube, all the Twitch, any notification that you can ask for is there. I don't know the difference in the lanes. I'm just gonna hook it. I'm gonna start with the purple one. It's close.
Just wait till you have to spare.
So first frame, she's already talking shit. Yeah, I don't get those hits when I bowl one-handed. It's kind of nice.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Oh. That was good, baby.
That was good.
Good luck.
Good luck. This is what two-handers do, right? They just get left and hook it. That needs to go Brooklyn.
10 pin. At least that's an easy spare.
When I'm not well practiced, nothing's an easy spare. I have not hit a single spare in the middle of the pin yet.
Oh. Should I play it straighter?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna try to post more shots today. I noticed I'm not very good at posting them two-handed.
Yes. Woo. Of course you make it.
Not very solid at the line.
You're the pro.
I'm more solid at the line two-handed than one right now. Rip off it. Oh!
The boss pin doesn't look.
I think it needs more surface.
Can I add?
Not right now, no.
Oh my gosh. I'm so bad.
No. Warm up. I rolled that one more. Just don't want to throw it to the right on this lane. So caught up in trying to roll it, didn't want to throw it to the right.
Too much.
Wow, what a good break. I think you could just move a little right with that one.
I forgot where I'm standing.
Oh, I missed it. Hook.
Oh.
Oh, bang. I think that lane might be tighter down lane.
Thank goodness. I think I should have handicap.
Handicap? I'm only two-handed. Isn't that handicap enough?
But your two-handed is good.
And your one-handed is good. All right, guys. She wants handicap. How much should we give her? 69? What are you guys smoking? Negative 25? That's what I'm saying. She should give me handicap. How about I give you the difference in this game?
Okay. Oh. The first shot was the net.
Yeah, you might still beat me.
Shut up.
You can still make the $100. We're gonna play this lane the same. We've been good on this lane. Oh no, hook a lot.
Of course, your strikes. Because you're the pro bowler.
I could imagine myself hitting, if I hit the pocket every time, I might 9 hit half the time. No, that's terrible. This lane's walled. That lane's not walled. It's like they put 2 different patterns out today. All right, time to curve the black one.
Hey. You have to say it.
I threw that one so bad, though.
The last one.
My ball reaction on the right lane is so good. 171 for Jana, 184 for me. A lot of people are saying 25-ish. We'll give her 25. Yeah, Lance wanted to win this league season. I don't think we're winning. We better start winning a lot of games. Good luck.
I don't want a high five. I don't want a high five. I don't want a fist bump. I want a hug.
day. Oh, she put some oomph into that one.
Fuck. I said fudge.
Fudge. A bowling ball has a circumference of 27 inches. If you guys didn't know that. That's what the just told us. Nut.
Thank God.
Nut. Do I move? Of course not. It's league. I move a little bit. Oh, I definitely rolled that one.
Wow. Not surprised.
She wasn't looking right. Well, that one's got a shot. Feel.
Oh! I'm not gonna say my thing yet. Only if I get a double.
Ball change. Ball change and move 5 left. I hope it does the right thing.
Don't.
Oh my God, it's going in the gutter.
Woo! Yikes.
I heard that.
Better.
Oh, that's a double. We're in trouble. Yeah, I need handicap. Handicap. Give me handicap. Yeah. All right, okay. I'm throwing the purple ball in both lanes.
Just kidding.
This lane, no matter. Throw right, throw left. I have the left side pocket, the right side pocket. I have it all. I have it all. This lane is so easy. Why is that lane so hard? I'm pretty sure this is the fresh morning pattern. It is the dead opposite of what we ball in the league. We ball in the leftover slop, where if you miss left, it never hooks. If you miss to the right, it hooks too much. Here, you miss left, hooks too much. You miss to the right, it never hooks. It doesn't help that I'm throwing the weakest balls we make. So now that's even exaggerated because I get in the oil, they don't flare, the covers are weak, they go straight. I'll get in the hook, they retain all the energy, and when they finally hook, they go sideways.
Uh-oh.
And that's a triple.
Oh, messenger. I'm so good. Thank you.
I'm down by 30, scratch.
That was a sick shot. Not even gonna lie.
Why is this lane so, it's not hard, it's all in my head. It didn't split, it didn't split. That's the important part, it didn't split. Oh, I need to stop taking days off. Just bowl every single day of your life. This won't be a problem, just bowl every day. That's not what I signed up for. I could still win scratch. I punch out 240, that's 10 in the pit.
Oh, yeah.
You guys let her fool you. You thought she needed handicap.
That's what I do.
Houston, we have a problem. Oh no.
Wow. That was cool. That was going in the gutter, and then it came back.
Oh, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I need to drill a urethane ball, I think, for situations like this. Then I can just play straight. That might be a 5-bagger.
Oh, I'm so good.
For the love of all that's good in bowling, just roll it, please. That's kind of rolled. Thank you. Double. Okay.
Oh. Oops. Finally. Should I use my
Nice.
spare ball?
I would throw the strike ball.
Okay.
You're gonna listen to him?
But if I miss it, it's gonna be Derek's fault. Oh. Oh, I missed it. I missed it.
I think that one's on you. I don't think you can blame him for that one.
Wow.
Still in the game, kind of. Scratch, but not with the handicap because she's already almost at 200. Oh, that's gotta go. And it does.
She's
I
back.
think she's got a new favorite ball. She's got a chance. The pin tried to stand up upside down. It's very unlikely, but I got a chance.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, baby. I can still win. What size bowling ball does she bowl with? 27 inches. Oh, hook.
Don't worry about it.
You need a mark in the 10th, and you'd count.
Plus my handicap though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I strike out, I win scratch.
Ooh. Oh.
Replay, run the clip.
That's an ESPN play right there.
Off my hand, I was like, that could 9-pin. And then it did. And then it didn't. Oh, she moved. Bro, move. She needs a spare to lock me out.
I'm done.
A spare and 4.
I need a sparing 4. Oh my gosh. Sparing 4.
Did I get in your head?
No.
Come on, Tropical Surge, solid. Yeah. Ugh. That one was fast.
I get free meals
Say free
all
meals?
day, every day.
Yeah, you do.
That's from my wallet.
Just to let you guys know, I do pay for most of the meals, like 97%. I should have stopped. Fuck. Ooh.
Of course.
Yeah. Perfect. Pop. Catch. Ah, that was one of the better
That
ones
was
too,
nice.
man. Inside out. I think I just need to make sure I get my feet moving.
Fair shooter.
When I get a little too methodical, then the early timing takes over. I think just
Oh. Oops.
you gotta move right.
Every time I move right, I move too much. Should I just practice my 10-pin?
If you want.
If you want.
You still got a chance to win, though. You get 25 sticks. Even without the 25 sticks, you might win.
Right?
Oh, I felt my wrist on that one. Ooh, it didn't pop. I didn't want it to.
You look like a bird.
Thank you. That's gotta go. Oh, that was a weird hit.
Move to the right.
It's only on the left one. Good two.
Can I just try my summit? Oh.
Although we're playing game by game, so you can try it now just to give it a look. Oh, hook a lot. Oh! They're cliffed.
Double dribble. Oh my gosh.
Wheel.
That ball dropped on my head so fast. Uh-oh.
Fair. Ay, ay, ay. Oh no, get lucky. Bonus. Time to bring out the big boom. That's really slow. We're improving every game. We like that. About 30 a game. If we can improve another 30, that would be great.
$240.
Come on, babe, you got this.
Shut up.
140 for Jenna, 240 for me. I won by exactly 100. That's a professional spare. Black Tropical. If you guys want to know the layouts, go head over to my Instagram. They're on the balls, in the bridge. It's a little Easter egg. Oh, help. Everybody. Whoa!
God damn.
Can I play this far right on the right lane? I don't know. Maybe. Am I gonna try? Nah. As long as it gets right of 5, it strikes every time.
I'm moving right. Ah! doesn't strike.
That's pretty good though. At least you locked in $100 already for Valentine's.
I feel like you're setting me up.
For what?
You told me to move, and I still move.
Did you move on that one?
I did move on that one, but I moved on that one.
This one you gotta just be a little further right than that lane.
But I'm like the furthest I can go on that lane.
Didn't you slide 20 the shot before?
How am I supposed to know where I slide when I focus?
Throw the shot and then look down.
I'm throwing the ball. That wasn't 20.
Well, not the spare. That one was probably like 15. All right, yeah, so if you guys want to get both tropicals, one plays off the other pretty nicely.
Wow. More right.
Oh, wheel.
Oh.
See, if I throw it right at 5, it strikes. Instant replay. I mishit that one a little bit, and it got extra far to the right. Oh, that's a little further right than I would play, but what do I know? I think I made a good ball change. I'm playing very well these last 2 games, guys. I feel like I'm playing good. That was not great. Yeah, the one-handed game needs work, I know.
Woo!
No!
Damn.
It just has to go that way. 255, 25, that's my math and right, 280.
Oops.
Those are the worst, because they're like, they should have struck, and all of a sudden, it's a 30-pin swing.
And I nipped it again, too.
That one to the right.
After I talk shit. I thought that was nice.
I felt like they could have struck, right, guys? Floorball is not very easy. Oh my goodness.
He double dribbles every time.
I used to play basketball recreationally. Oh yeah, that's gonna strike 112%. Oh my God, why'd that hook so much?
Ew.
It was coming.
Uh-oh.
That Rip 9 was coming.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh.
The only makeable I missed today was the gutter. Let's go. He's back, baby. Too slow. Yikes. All right, well, I bowled 700 the last 4 games. It wasn't bad. Last 3 games. Thanks for watching, everybody. Finished with 232, shot 882. Tied the first week. Quality-wise, it was not bad. But yeah, I owe Jana $100 in Valorant skins, I guess. Good thing she only won one. Could have been expensive. Go follow her on Twitch. She's gonna start streaming more. Just graduated school. Anyways, we had a pretty big crowd today, so thanks to them. You guys want to come down and just smile at the camera for us because apparently that gets more views. Yeah, so shout out to everybody that came down to watch. It's really early, so definitely appreciate everyone. There are a couple people in the back that don't want to come down, but they're saying what's up. Yeah, help us out. Watch the reels and shorts as many times as possible. Hit that subscribe button. We're no longer the #1 bowling creator channel on YouTube, so we would like to get back to that. Thanks for coming, guys. Yeah. Peace.